Hello.
Hello,
Hi, who is this?
Satish.
Oh, are you the student, Satish?
Yes.
Okay. And anyone else in the call?
I don't know. Just
Yeah,
Hello?
hello.
Yeah. Hello? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Indu, are you able to hear me? Indu
Yeah,
only,
yeah.
right?
yes.
Yeah, Lakshmi.
Okay. Okay. So,
Your audio is not clear, Lakshmi.
sorry?
Your audio is not clear.
Oh, one second.
Okay.
How is it now?
Even now, even now I'm finding some breaks in your voice.
How is it now?
Yeah, now I think it should be fine now.
Okay. I'm starting the session. So before that, I would like to know, your background, Hindu and Sandwich. Can you go ahead? Like, what is your
Yeah, I have done my master's over here and currently I'm looking for a job. So I have got trained in business analyst and I just want to switch for Tibco now.
Oh, okay, okay. So, masters in you have any idea about computer fields or?
I mean, my bachelor's was in electronics, and then I moved
Oh,
to computer science.
okay, okay, good. And how about you, Satish?
Hi. I have done my master's recently, and in computer science.
Okay,
BTech is also from computer science.
okay, fine. Okay. So, today I will discuss like what is the course content we are dealing with and how the TIBCO designer looks like and everything. So mainly the course belongs to TIBCO BW, Etiquette Business Works. Okay. Uh, TIBCO
Okay.
BW is one product and TIBCO EMS, Enterprise Message Service. Both are like two products, which basically if you want to search for any TIBCO position, this is like a developer training only. Okay. So
Okay.
if you want to apply for any TIBCO developer position, it's a good idea to learn both the TIBCO BW and EMS. Okay, both are like two
Okay.
different products. Okay,
Okay.
so basically before jumping into TIBCO, we have to get an idea like these three technical terms: SOA, ESP, and EAI. Okay,
Okay.
SOA is nothing but service oriented architecture, and ESP is nothing but enterprise service bus, and EAI is nothing but enterprise application integration. This is like a theoretical classes, which includes like some 3 classes on this, fully theoretical only.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Basically,
Okay.
the developer just need an idea on this. Okay, you don't require that much in-depth knowledge on. This is the Tibco architect role. SOA, ESP, and DAI. Generally, it would be in-depth who wants to learn this, make a Tibco architect. Okay, Tibco architect will deal with
Okay.
it. The developer need not know, but the knowledge should be enough. Generally, when you apply to
Okay.
any ask you the knowledge of SOA. Okay. So
Okay.
for that purpose, it is like in 3 classes, theoretical classes, just got it?
Got it.
Yeah. Yeah, are you recording the session?
No, I'm not recording.
Uh, can you please record the sessions so that I mean we can do the class again?
I think they're recording, I guess. Even I'm also not sure. Sai?
We have an option to record the class in our lapis.
Oh, you have it?
Yes.
Okay, then can you please record it?
Yes, I'm doing. On the left, on the right hand side bottom, you will find an option record this session.
Where this one?
No, not on your screen, on our screen.
Oh,
You can just you have typed
okay.
some name, right? Sai, are you recording this session? Below to that, you will
Uh,
find an option.
I don't have any option over here. You can
Okay.
see my screen,
This
right?
one, the orange button.
This one.
Yes,
Okay.
this one. I think it's
Not
already.
getting right.
Yes, it's already in recorded mode.
Still desktop version. Anyhow, this is like discussing the course only.
Okay.
Sai, I think he can record the session.
Yeah, I think only the presenters can record the session.
Yeah. I'm saying you are the presenter, but here I can't see. How to mute myself?
You want to mute yourself?
Yeah, here I'm getting it. 1 second.
Yeah.
I'm connecting through my phone, okay? So,
Okay.
can I continue or shall we wait?
I think Satish, you are recording the session, right?
Yes, yes, I'm recording.
You can just share with us
Yes.
later on.
Okay, no issues.
Yeah. Yeah, Lakshmi, now I think you can proceed.
Okay. Okay, thanks. So, if you have any questions, just stop me, okay? Rather than
Yeah, yeah.
asking at the end of the class, just stop me. So next we'll jump into TIBCO introduction. Here TIBCO comes into picture. Okay, like what are the various components in TIBCO, what are the products we are dealing with, and what is the directory structure. Okay. And Okay, you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So here comes into like what are the various components in TIBCO, how to install that one, and everything will come in TIBCO introduction. Okay, for installation also you require some prerequisites for that. I will tell you the order how to install it and you can go ahead with that. Okay. Once you install, you have this TIBCO folder. I will let you know when installing TIBCO what to do. Okay.
Okay.
And here you can see so many folders, right? Here comes into picture BW means business works. Okay. So I will explain you like what that contains, like what is the bin directory, what are the configuration files in that, everything, the directory structure also I will explain you in the TIBCO introduction. Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
So this is about TIBCO introduction. And after this, then we'll do the hands-on exercises. You can see here file palette, right? Generally, this is the TIBCO designer, which you can see over here. So the TIBCO designer version is 5.9.0. This also I'll explain you how to deal with it when going into the class. Okay. For now, and my training would be in the hands-on, based on the hands-on projects. You can see the projects folder over here, right? These are all the real-time projects which I have worked on.
Okay.
Oopsie. Yeah, you can see here ALE, the file adapter, all of these folders, right? Each and every folder is nothing but the project. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm opening one project to show you how it looks like. So these are all the company projects only which I have worked on. Okay. So after discussion of each and every palette, I will do one hands-on exercises in the class, and at the end of the class, I'll show you this real-time project, how it is used in real time. Because after your master's, you'll be putting some experience, right? Some 6 or 7 years of experience, right?
Right.
So for that purpose, for that purpose, I'm including all of this real-time stuff. This is the project which I worked on. This is a web services completely. Okay, this module, the referral services, is the one which I worked on. This is the project which I developed. So each and every, when you right click on this and say add resource, you can see some palettes over here, right? This everything we call it like a file palette, FTP palette, HTTP, RMA. We call it like a palette. Under each palette, we have some group, some couple of activities over here. Create file, read file, remove file. All of these are nothing but activities. Okay. These all of the group of related activities will come under one file palette. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, palette is nothing but some group of related activities. Why I'm saying related means create file means it creates a file. Read file means it reads a file. Remove means it removes a file. By the name itself, you will come to know, right?
Right.
So based on this, you will, since all of these activities are dealing with a file, all these activities are grouped into one palette. Got it?
Okay.
All the Java palettes would be over here. Java code, Java method, similarly database elements, which comes to the DB, databases. Like this, just it's like a drag and drop only. You have the TIBCO software with you or how is it?
No, I don't.
No.
Okay. Okay, like this you can do it. Just a drag and drop and here we'll configure it. And this create file, somewhere in my experience, I have used in some other project, right? I'll show you that project. I'll explain you the business requirement which I got it. I mean, what is my project requirement, and I'll show you that one.
Okay.
Got it? So that you have an idea how it works in real time also. Instead of use theoretically telling in the class. I will explain you like that.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
That is like that. I'll be discussing file palette, parse palette. Parse palette means generally this palette will deal with say you are getting some text files, okay, some 500 files from the client.
Okay.
So you want to extract the data from that one. For that purpose, for extracting the data, we'll use this one, parse palette.
Okay.
And in that, I'll be discussing these three activities: parse data, indent data, data format.
Okay.
Got it?
Before to that, I have a doubt. Actually,
Yeah, go ahead.
what is TIBCO and why it is used? I don't
I
know.
mean, Tibco is as you know, it's like a middleware, right? Like this, we have so many products like Vitreous, Beyond, MuleSoft, like that. We have so many products, and Tibco is something like it will use like a bus architecture. So for that purpose, like generally all the complex data transformations and everything can be done using Tibco.
Okay, only data transformation will be done by TIBCO, right?
No, no, not only data transformation, some web services we can call it. We can integrate with multiple applications like databases.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
application we can, but it integrates different applications and different systems.
Okay. I mean, it's
Okay,
not a coding
so
language or other thing, right?
it's like a drag and drop only. It's a tool only, right? We do not require much programming. It's like drag and drop, and you have to be aware. Say for pass palette means you have to be aware like how we have to configure that one.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, in real time we don't use all the palettes also. So many palettes we don't use in our real time.
Okay.
Only some of the palettes, most of the projects will use some of the projects only. I mean some of the palettes only. Even till now, I haven't used this PCP. You
Okay.
can see here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Some experience in this training is just I'll give you an idea like some of the important palettes and some experience you'll be getting based on when you go into the project. From that only you'll learn more things.
Okay. Can I have a real-time example?
Okay?
Not this one. This not this a project, and I mean a real-time example like what this TIBCO will do.
I mean, say I have a front end like a Java-based system, okay?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And TIBCO sits in between and the database is like a Oracle.
Okay.
Okay, if the user wants to communicate from the Java to Oracle, then he can use the TIBCO. All the data transformations will be done in TIBCO.
Okay.
Okay, and it's something like a secure layer, TIBCO means.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, so for that purpose we can use it.
Okay.
All the data transfer. Java will have its own data format and Oracle will have its own data format, right?
Hmm.
Java data format Oracle can't understand and Oracle data format Java can't understand.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Communicate from Java to Oracle also, but it's like a long process. Like first we have to establish a JDBC connection. There is some 10-step process. Using TIBCO, it would be very easier.
Okay. Instead of JDBC,
Got it?
we are using TIBCO, right?
In TIBCO also we'll be using JDBC only.
Okay.
What we in Java, we have to think in the future perspective also. Say for example, if we want to change something, okay, in Java it would, in future if you have any other requirement or any other enhancement,
Hmm.
okay. So in Java that enhancement that enhancement logic would be somewhat complex when compared to TIBCO.
Okay.
Okay, the code and everything should be changed or something like that. Okay, in Tibco it would be easier to change that logic. So that purpose also we can use it.
Okay.
Just an example. Okay,
Got it.
very easy to add any subsystems or systems or any hardware. Okay,
Okay.
so that is the main. And next one is the JDBC palette. Are you clear? Both
Yes.
of you. Atisha? Okay. So JDBC palette is very, very important. Generally, file palette will take 2 classes. And parts palette will take approximately two classes. And in parts palette, I'll show you one Excel sheet. Okay, that is the real-time project requirement only. Okay.
Okay.
The clients have given an Excel, okay, how the data looks like. Like that, we have to develop our project. I'll explain you that Excel sheet that takes some 40 minutes, okay, only to explain that Excel sheet.
Okay.
And then we'll do the hands-on exercise, this one. Okay, so it
Okay.
takes some classes for this. And JDBC palette is very, very, very important, which takes some 4 to 5 classes.
Okay.
Very, very important, okay.
Hmm.
In this JDBC palette only, when discussing JDBC palette, I will discuss groups and transitions. Maybe you are aware of C, right? For loop, while,
Yeah.
if
Yes.
clause, some loops are there, right? Groups are similar to that one. Iterate means it iterates for loop, similar to that. Got it?
Okay.
So this groups and transition and this general activity palette, all of these activities are there, mapper versus assign. And whatever I have mentioned versus means that is an interview question. If the interviewer asks you, generally the basic is how the interviews would be is, they don't expect you to tell the definition of that mapper, right? It's like for the fresher means you can tell the definition of that mapper, but when you put some experience in your resume, you have to be in a position like how you have used it. Got it?
Yes.
Like that, you have to be in that. General basic guys will ask like that, why we have to go for mapper? Why can't we go for SN? Like that, they will ask you why, what, when. Those are the things.
Okay.
Because I'm aware of all of the situation. Even I did my master's in US only, and I did my job in OPT and then H1, and like that only I also uh, was in the same phase as yours.
Okay.
Got it?
Hmm.
For that
Yeah.
purpose, I'm telling you, because even I have mentioned some 7 years of experience, a lot of interviews. I was also not able to clear at the start of my career, and then later on, somewhat I success. I got
Okay.
success.
Hmm.
Okay, for that purpose, I'm telling you everything. The training is based on that only. When I took the training, I took it from India, but that guy has given just like theoretical only, not much real-time projects.
Hmm.
So I was very, even I too don't know, right? I can't tell all of the theory to
Right.
the
Muted.
explain. When I put some experiments, they will expect us.
Yeah. They'll expect like all the real-time experience, not like basic depth. Yeah,
Yeah.
I know.
I was in that phase only, I came to know all the difficulties.
Unmuted.
Yeah, even we are fighting that now currently.
For this purpose, I'm giving the training like this, especially for OPT students.
Okay.
So these are the activities which I'll discuss. I'll explain you at the time of class, okay? Because in one class only you'll not come to know, right? JDBC
Yeah.
update means how to, all I will explain you at the time of discussion. Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah.
And till this JDBC palette, half of the syllabus is over, and then you can market your resume.
Okay.
Because when you by resume preparation, everything will take some time, right? And then you'll take some vendor calls. You'll be used to that, right? So I
Right.
would recommend after this JDBC palette, you can market your resume. Because at the starting itself only, you can't get all the client calls. Okay, it will take some 1 month of time to get the client calls and take the vendor calls, technical screening and everything.
Right.
Okay. So until this JDBC palette, half of the syllabus is over. And then I will discuss EMS. EMS introduction is nothing but fully theoretical. There are a lot of topics in EMS. But I haven't included some of the topics over here since the screen is, I have to go for the another screenshot. Okay. A lot
Okay.
of topics in EMS. What are all important as a developer, I'll discuss it. EMS introduction, this slide itself will take some 4 to 5 classes, theoretical. It's all
Okay.
theoretical. You have to understand very well, okay? Fully theoretical.
Okay.
When you are clear with this concepts, then we'll jump into hands-on exercise using JMS Palette. And apart
Okay.
from this, I'll be creating the bridges. Apart from this, I'll do some more hands-on also. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
It takes some 3 classes. Generally, EMS will take some 8 to 10 classes.
Okay.
Okay.
And then HTTP palette and Java palette, even I haven't used it, but I know like when you get general Java palette won't be used much. It depends on the project also, on the client where you're working. But if you get that requirement, I'll show you like how to create the alias library. Just I'll give you an idea like where to check and everything. Got it?
Okay.
And Java code and Java method, I can show you. Java to XML, XML to Java, I haven't used it. I have to do these 2 activities from the slide. Okay. This is not that much important, Java palette, but one class we can see if required. Okay.
Okay.
So are you aware of XML, both of you?
No, I don't have an idea on XML.
I mean, what is the root element, child element, how
Mm,
to write an XML document?
I mean, I have like basic idea on XML, but not like uh, in depth.
In-depth knowledge, just you have to know like what is the start element, end tag. Those should be enough, root element. Anyhow, when you refer the w3schools.org is there, right? That will come, in the class also I'll give you some introduction, some 10 minutes, okay?
okay.
10 to 15 minutes. And then we'll jump into parse and rendering. Okay.
Okay.
And web services, this web services over here is like this is also fully theoretical. What I am doing is instead of continuing in the generally web services very important now. When you get the requirement, most of the requirements would be on web services only. Got it?
Okay.
In web services only, we'll be implementing JDBC. Like that, we can implement all the palettes. Got it?
Okay.
And then
Okay.
in web services, schema, this step you can see here, right? Or shall I increase it? Okay, schema, crystal, HTTP, service, soft palette. Okay, all of these 5 palettes it goes under web services. And web services is very important topic. I need some 2 hours of class, 2 hours of time. Okay, to discuss this one. This is web services. It's like a 5-step process. It's a continuous. I can't stop in between. Okay, continuous process. You have to follow mandatory those 5 steps. Okay, that is the web service standard. Okay, so like this, SQL palette, SOAP palette, service palette. What did I say? XML and HTTP palette. All these 5 will be covered under web services. Okay, I need some 2 hours of class. Because you are a new beginner, right? I think it takes more than 2 hours. So either when you are very fresh mind only, we'll discuss this one.
Okay.
I can wait if required. Because very important. You have to understand. General these web services will be discussed at the end of the course. Got it?
Yeah.
And these are the other topics not used much in real time. External command write. I'll discuss on startup. Okay, on startup in JDBC palette I'll discuss.
Okay.
Like to log this all. They are not used in real time. This is like a real time scenarios can discuss it anyhow. I'll be covering when discussing the class itself. Okay.
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 The various environment IT sector. You are not aware this is your first project, right? Or did you work in before masters?
No, I haven't.
No, I haven't worked anywhere.
And for web services, will be for testing of web service, will use this third-party vendor provided SOPY. It's like a freeware only, which you can get it from the net.
Oh, mm-hmm.
So the types of testing, this all I'll be discussing in the class, just for the new people only, just like you guys. Okay,
Okay.
questions?
No.
Once you're comfortable to start the class, just I know I will start the concepts. Okay. But surely for 3 classes, you will this service oriented aspect, right? For 3 classes, just take it whatever I explained.
Audio is too
Something
low.
that sorry,
Your audio is too low and I'm getting a lot of echo from your side.
I'm not sure what is happening.
Yeah.
Because I'm using a web, this GoToMeeting web version. For the future classes, I'll make sure it's Sagi, okay? Like I have to download this GoToMeeting and I'll see.
Okay.
Okay.
Today, as this is the first class, please bear with it.
No issues.
Let me know if you're comfortable with Sai and I can start the classes.
Okay, so how long will it take for the entire training, Lakshmi?
25 classes.
Okay. And the duration of each class will be like around?
1 hour. Because for 5 to 10 minutes for settling only it will take. Some topics here we have this parts palette, right?
Right.
It will take some 50 minutes.
Okay.
Depends, like some topics it takes some 1.5 hours. Based
Okay.
on the topic level, not like the timing level. Uh, I will be covering based on the topic.
Okay.
Some topics, if you can understand very quickly, it will take 40 minutes only. It
Okay.
depends
No.
on your time. Yeah. Okay, then let me know your once let me know it's Sayan, he will come back. Any questions? And for first, surely I'm telling you, for first 3 classes, you can't understand anything. Just whatever I explained with this topic, just take it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just take it like
Yeah.
a note. And then definitely I'll tell you from TIBCO introduction, you will have an interest. When doing hands-on only, you will get some interest, like how to work on it and everything. It's a kind of
Right.
doing hands-on, then you'll have some, once you are done with your first hands-on exercise, you'll be pretty much comfortable with that.
Okay.
Okay.
And which time zone you are?
I'm at EST.
EST,
Yeah.
Eastern time. Which
Right.
state?
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts. How about you, Satish?
I'm in Nashua right now, New Hampshire.
Uh, oh, New Hampshire now. Okay, okay.
And you, Lakshmi?
I'm from India.
Okay.
I stayed over there. I mean, when I was in US, I'm in the eastern side only. Uh, Eastern time zone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Satish, I dropped my email in the chat box, so please share the recorded session with me.
Okay.
Thank you.
Done. Done with the class?
Yeah. One sec. Any other questions or no?
I think I'm good for now.
Let me know your convenient timings and everything. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
When do you want? I mean, the timings and everything. Also, please let me know in advance. What is I?
Yeah, sure, Lakshmi.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.